Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shadazee, and over here I post about hair, beauty and lifestyle. So today I've got a quick little video for you guys showing you how I do sugar waxing using the microwave. I'm just gonna do my underarms today because it's a smaller area, so it's a lot easier instead of doing a larger area, because that of course is more time consuming. So you guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So to start off guys, you'll need half cup of sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. You can either use white sugar or brown sugar. Either way, it does not matter. I've tried both and they've both been fine. Then 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then you'll need 2 to 3 spoons of water. Also guys, this also depends on the amount of wax that you want to make. So if you want to make a lot more, you'll need probably 1 cup of sugar, quarter cup of lemon, quarter cup of water. It all depends, but I was just making a reasonable amount just to do my underarms. So you then pop the wax in the microwave, and I would recommend doing it step by step. So doing 1 minute, then another minute, and check it as you go along, because you don't want to put it in there for about say 2 to 3 minutes. You take it out and it's overcooked, and then you wouldn't be able to use it. As you can see, after a minute my wax was not the color I was looking for. It needs to be like a brownish color. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave for another minute and just check it after that minute. Now that I'm happy with the color and I think it's the right consistency, I'm gonna go ahead and do my waxing. Please do not judge me, but my armpits are super hairy. I don't know if you can see. I'll come close to the camera like this. It's very, very, very hairy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it down a little bit with the scissors, because it makes it a lot less painful. I'm going to do this arm instead because I'm right-handed. I know it is gross.
No, she did! Yes, she did! No, she did! Yes, she did, Peter! I just saw it!
What I'm doing at the moment is that I put the... Looks disgusting, I know.
Oh, hell no!
I put the pieces of cloth that I cut up in the bowl. And I'm gonna... So I've got it here. Pop some more powder under my arms. This is trial and error. Let's see. And so my hair grows, I don't even know. I think my hair grows up. So I'm gonna and then I should have done it to go up, but it's gonna come down, but it's fine. There you go, guys. So it's good to try new things because it worked.
15 minutes later.
So guys, if you reached this far in the video, you are the real deal. Thank you. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried sugar waxing before or you're thinking to try it. I think this is about my 3rd or 4th time trying it, and I must say each experience has been different, and that's why I would recommend doing a small area. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video.